Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this smartphone. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on this software and typing in Samsung Voice Recorder. Now download this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to click on this red button and select while using the app in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is now on. In order to pause it or unpause it, click on the Sound Media button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one. You can type in wherever you wish to or don't and click on OK. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark. Now click on Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my recording was successfully added. If you wish to start a new one, click on this red button at the bottom right corner. And if you wish to, from here, delete your recording, you can always click on this card and tap on Delete in the pop-up. But now I need to go back into my previous one and rename it by holding it, selecting this icon between heart and pin one. Type in my new recording's name. I will go with some gibberish and choose OK. If you wish to play your recording, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!